You have a really, really good view into the landscape because you work with different people in our cohort. What companies specifically are asking AI product sense?
That is a great question, Akash. And the truth is, this is spreading really, really fast. Right now, as we talk, more and more companies are adopting the AI version of the product sense interviews, but I can broadly categorize these companies into three tiers. So, the very first and the very obvious ones are the AI native companies where it is a very core round. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google DeepMind, these companies have very clearly dedicated AI product sense round in every single PM loop. So, for example, at OpenAI, you would get a question like, how would you double ChatGPT image creation with just three engineers, right? Then there are the tier two companies, which are the big tech companies that have added it to their loops. Now, very recently, Meta is the big one here. They literally just added a fourth interview to the PM loop, which is the product sense with AI. It is very specific to certain teams or orgs within the company and for levels as well. But you would get a product case and you're expected to use AI tools live in the interview. We call it vibe coding. So is Meta calling it vibe coding. Now, you prototype with the interviewer watching. Google's AI teams, Amazon's Gen AI org, NVIDIA, they're all running these AI product sense rounds. Now, then you have the tier three companies where they are weaving AI into the existing product sense rounds. Now, they may not ask about these questions up front, but for example, in LinkedIn interviews, they will potentially ask you about how are you going to leverage Gen AI capabilities while thinking through certain products and solutions. What are the implications of OpenAI and Anthropic launching and capturing newer markets, and how should their products rethink their strategy based on this changing environment? If you answer these questions without referencing the change in the markets, without model capabilities, and so on, you're not going to make it.
I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.